Hi, I'm Michelle from Massage Tools. I'm a licensed esthetician and certified massage therapist here to do another product demonstration. Today we are looking at the Beauty Pro Hot Towel Steamer Kit. So let's get started. First of all, the packaging is beautiful. You can see that here. Now this item comes with 6 white towels. It comes with the stainless steel tongs and the unit itself. So let me just show you how to use it. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is put water into the base, so distilled water only. You're going to fill it to the line inside the reservoir. After you've filled the water into the reservoir, go ahead and just set this on top, and then you can go ahead and roll out your towel. Now to roll it out, you're just going to simply lay out the towel like this, fold it in half, and then you're going to want to tightly roll it the best you can. Now you can pre-moisten these towels, but you don't have to. Go ahead and set that in there. Once you get all your towels in place, go ahead and take the lid, set it on top. It does not have to seal in order for the towels to steam and heat up properly. So now go ahead and turn the timer on. It's got a maximum 60-minute timer. It takes about 15 minutes to fully heat up the towels. It's been about 15 minutes, so let me just go ahead and turn this off. And I'm going to take the lid off, but be very careful because condensation has developed on the top and you don't want to get that on top of you. So make sure it drips into the unit and then carefully put the lid to the side. Now, in order to get the towel, you want to use your tongs. These towels are super, super hot. So go ahead and take your towel carefully with the tongs and give it a quick little shake before using it on yourself or somebody else. Now, hot towels are great for massages, for facials, for pedicures, manicures, hot barber shaves, waxing, so many uses. You can use this in a salon, a spa, or for the at-home user, any place that you want a nice hot towel. So if you have any questions about this product or any other products that we offer, contact us at Massage Tools. Thanks.